Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new project. This is Stamperia Savana and it is a design project for Scrap and Create, and you can get all your supplies there. I'll have them linked down below. I will have a cutting guide for this project and it will be linked in the first video of the tutorial. I don't have it ready yet and I don't want to wait before I get this video posted. Anyway, so we have a large mini album. I designed this one to be pretty quick to put together, even though it's large, just in case you have need for a Christmas gift or something like that quickly. You should be able to knock this one out fairly quickly. I had to make this. I had a rice paper, I had a 12 by 12, a 12 by 12 patterns, and I had a two 8 by 8s. What else did I have? Oh, I had the collectibles, and I had the die cuts. And I think that's it. I think that's all I had. Okay, anyway, so let's take a look. Here's our cover. As you can maybe see, it's layered, so it's got a lot of texture to it. The spine is wrapped in the rice paper. And hang on, it's big. And then the back has the zebra print. And this is, the pages are 8 by 10. Cover is 10.5 by 8.5, I believe. Yeah. And the spine I think I cut it 2 1/4. All right, so let's take a look. It's big, so I'm gonna have to kind of maneuver it a little for you to see it. So here's our inside front cover, and it has a large pocket here. And then what we have are there are 4 pages, and there are 2 designs. So there are 2 of each page, if that makes sense. The fronts of all of the pages have this same setup, which is a flap. Let me put this over. It's flap. And there you can see, this is a tuck spot right here. Let me grab something so you can see. That's a tuck spot. And then the flap here is a pocket. And there's that, okay? And I left large, fairly plain areas because, for one thing, the paper is so beautiful. You get a good look at the paper, plus it gives you lots and lots of places to put photos. So you're going to have 4 pages that look just like this, although matted differently, but the backs are different. So in other words, here's the second one, and again, here's the little card that's in the pocket. If I can get it out, there we go. And let me open it so you can see. So that's that side. And then the back side of this one is a large flap. Okay. So there's that. Then this one, oh, and this is also a tuck spot, by the way. Then the back of this one is a pair of belly bands, because it's such a big page. One belly band wasn't going to cut it unless I made it wide. So we have a pair. And I do have something under the other one. I ran out of cardstock, so I don't have as many inserts as I might otherwise. And then this is a tuck spot. I didn't make the insert for this pocket for the same reason, because I had run out of cardstock. And then the back of this one is the flap again. And then we have another pocket here with a tuck on the front. And then it opens like that. So I tried to keep this side of all of these pages pretty plain for your photos. And then this one has the double belly band again, and this one does have an insert. You can give you an idea how that's going to look. And then on the inside back cover, we have another pocket. I think I have something in this pocket. I do, a couple things. And that is that. So you can see it's beautiful. The papers are elaborate, so it looks elaborate, but it's actually quite a simple book to put together. And it's big, so you'll be able to get a lot of pictures in this book. So that is that. I will see you next time, and we will get started with making this project. Once again, don't forget to visit Scrap and Create to get your supplies. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. We are closing in on 10,000 subscribers, which is so exciting. And I'd really appreciate it if you gave that subscribe button a click. So thanks so much, and I will see you next time, and we'll get started with this beautiful book. Bye-bye.